Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Chainlink tokens from an exchange like Bitrue to a secure wallet like MetaMask. Today, I'm walking you through this process step by step. It's easier than you think, and I'll make sure you avoid common pitfalls along the way. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have MetaMask installed on your browser or mobile device. If you don't, download it from the official website and set up a new wallet. Once that's done, open MetaMask and switch to the Ethereum network, since Chainlink operates on it. Copy your wallet address by clicking on the account icon. Double-check it because accuracy is key to avoid losing your funds. Next, head over to your Bitrue account. Log in securely and navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your Chainlink link balance, then look for the Withdraw option. This is where the magic happens. Paste the MetaMask wallet address you copied earlier into the withdrawal form. Make sure to select the correct network, again, Ethereum for Chainlink, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, exchanges like Bitrue might have minimum withdrawal limits and fees, so check those first to avoid surprises. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to review everything. You'll need to complete any two-factor authentication or security checks Bitrue requires. Once submitted, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on it. Back on MetaMask, you should see the incoming transaction soon. Once it confirms, your Chainlink tokens will be safely in your wallet. Pro tip: always use hardware wallets for long-term storage if you're holding significant amounts, and never share your private keys. There you have it. That's how you send Chainlink from Bitrue to MetaMask in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.